Hi everyone, this is Dr. Yu with the last of our videos for the final draft of the first 9 weeks web page assignment. I'm going to show you how to, once again, to compress the file once you're done with all of the edits to it, how to make sure you submit it correctly. So what the first thing you need to do is double check and make sure that all of the files you need are going to be in this folder, with the one that starts with final dash whatever your last name is. You're going to need your index page that you've been editing, your color palette page over here, okay, your 3 images, 1, 2, and 3, 3 or more images, and then if you included a background pattern, you need that background pattern there as well, okay. If you've also changed the fonts or any of the font colors, you make sure that that's done as well. You can watch the last video here on my site to figure out what that entails. Okay, so I've got all my files. Everything is named correctly. Everything is lowercase. There are no spaces in all of these files. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and close that out. The first thing I'm going to do is to compress this folder. So to do that, I'm going to right click on this folder. And once the menu box pops up, I'm going to click Send To, and then go to Compressed or Zipped Folder. Okay, so you notice over here, that icon now has a zipper on it. There's a new file that was created, and the icon of a zipper. And I'm going to just click off of the screen to accept that that the name of the file. If everything was working correctly in the original file, then you can rest assured that everything is going to work in the zipped file. So some of you might have, some of you have definitely come up to me. It's like, everything works in the other file, but when I open it up in the compressed file, it doesn't work. So what happens is that when it opens up, if you double click on this particular image right now, it's not going to open any of the images. It's just going to have the text, because the only thing that you have uncompressed here is that index file. You haven't uncompressed any of these other images, so that's why it's not showing. So when I go to grade your assignment, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click and drag that folder back out here so that everything gets uncompressed and sort of reinflated back to their normal size. Okay, and then everything will work again. Okay, so I've got that compressed folder over here. The next thing I'm going to do is to open up an email by going into ClassLink. From the Leon County Schools any Leon County Schools website, click ClassLink, enter your student ID number and password, and then I'm going to go to Office 365 and open up a new email, and I've got that over here. So this is what it generally looks like inside that pane. The first thing you're going to do is to find me. So I'm going to type yuc@leonschools.net. Once you start typing in my email address, you should see my avatar of a purple paw with my name in it pop up. So I'm going to click that. Subject, for add a subject, you're going to add the period number. So if I'm in period 2, I'm going to type period 2. And then I'm going to go up to see where you see attach, that little paper clip over there, or you can go down here and do the same. It's the same function. So I'm going to click there and then click on computer. And then I'm going to click on the desktop area and then find the final draft to attach to the site. Okay. The other thing that you can do is I'm going to actually delete that from there, but you can also just drag and drop your file there. Easy as pie. Okay. And then click send once you're ready, and then your message has been sent. Your assignment has been successfully submitted. Okay. So if you have any questions about how to do that, please go back. Feel free to go back through this video, pause it as you need to continue on. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll see you in class.